Myself, yourself, themselves, ourselves. Let's talk about reflexive pronouns today. Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, like I said in the intro kanina, we're going to talk about reflexive pronouns. But before we do that, just a quick little plug. If you want to help support this channel and our cause to democratize education in the Philippines, one way that you can do that is by being a channel member. So if you're not familiar with it yet, you can click on the join button beside the subscribe button if you're watching on YouTube, and you can join yung group ng mga supporters who help us pay the bills and keep the lights on sa ating maliit na operation na ito. So maraming salamat sa mga rookies, MVPs, and channel members natin. Maraming salamat. I appreciate all of you, and I hope you appreciate then us using your names sa mga examples and the little things, the perks that we offer up. I'll just take this time to really thank you, kasi without you, lalo na sa mga lean months, it will be hard for me to make sure that I keep making free content. So thank you sa inyong lahat. I appreciate all of you. And yun muna for now. Let's jump right into yung discussion natin for today. Let me just switch over to my tablet. I'll see you in a bit.
Alright, so ito yung lecture natin on reflexive pronouns. And before we move on dun sa list ng mga pronouns na pinag-uusapan natin, let me just illustrate kung kailan siya ginagamit. If you have a photo like this, tapos sinabi sa'yo ng teacher mo, gawa ka ng sentence describing this photo or describing this memory. Madali nating masasabi na kung si Lyqa yung nagtuturo, we can say na Lyqa taught her how to play the drums. Or kung present tense naman ito o ngayon siya nangyayari, Lyqa is teaching her how to play the drums. Now, i-break down natin itong sentence na to. Lyqa taught her how to play the drums. Sino-sino ba sila? Now, una, tingnan natin si Lyqa, no? Kung I'm just using my name para mas simple kasi drummer din ako. So, Lyqa, siya itong adult na ito. Ayan. Tapos, yung her naman, dito sa sentence na ito, that would be the child na tinuturuan kung paano mag-drums. Okay? So, Lyqa taught her how to play the drums. Si Lyqa, ngayon, ang subject ng sentence, her naman, siya yung object ng sentence or tigatanggap ng action. And then, yung action natin or gawain, yung verb ng sentence na ito ay taught. Yun yung ginawa ni Lyqa doon sa tagatanggap or doon sa bata na to. Kaya ang gagamitin natin dahil female siya, her ang pronoun. Lyqa taught her how to play the drums. Now, it gets a little complicated kung ang photo natin ay ganito. Now, dahil itong babae, sa case na to again, Lyqa, siya mismo ang nagtuturo at siya rin ang nag-aaral kung paano mag-drums kasi wala siyang ibang estudyante. Weird kung sasabihin natin na Lyqa taught Lyqa how to play the drums. Yung sinasabi natin na medyo barok or hindi maganda pakinggan. Diba? Lyqa taught Lyqa how to play the drums. Now, reflexive pronouns, by definition, they are used when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same, kung pareho sila. Now, yung sentence natin kanina, na Lyqa taught Lyqa how to play the drums, Lyqa is the subject o tagagawa sa sentence. Ang verb natin or ang action ay taught or tinuruan. Tapos, yung Lyqa, siya rin kasi ang object o tagatanggap ng action dahil ang gusto nating sabihin dito ay si Lyqa ay tinuruan ng sarili niya kung paano mag-play ng drums or yung tinatawag nating widow. No? Now, anong gagawin natin dito para mas swabe siya pakinggan or mas maganda siya pakinggan? Titingnan natin yung listahan ng matches ng personal pronoun to reflexive pronoun. Now, kung makikita nyo dyan, dun sa personal pronoun, you have I, yung reflexive pronoun niya ay myself, you na singular, kung ang kausap mo ay isa lamang, so you, ang reflexive pronoun niya naman ay yourself, you na plural, kung higit sa isa ang tinuturo mo or kinakausap mo, kasi diba sa English, kapag sinabi nating you, Pwede siyang singular, pwede siyang plural. Kapag plural na siya, magiging yourselves. Kapag he, himself, she, herself, it, itself. Dito yung tricky. Pag we, hindi we selves, it's ourselves. And then them, themselves. And then one, kapag one naman, oneself. Now, para mahanap natin yung tama natin gagamitin, titingnan natin or babalikan natin yung sentence kanina. Ano ba si Lyqa? Now, si Lyqa ay babae, which falls under she. So, ang ating gagamitin na reflexive pronoun ay herself. She, or sa case na ito, si Lyqa, herself. Now, babalikan natin yung sentence kanina. Instead of saying Lyqa taught Lyqa how to play the drums, papalitan natin yung pangalawang Lyqa or yung tagatanggap or object ng sentence into a reflexive pronoun which is herself. So we will say, Lyqa taught herself how to play the drums. Now our sentence makes better sense. We have Lyqa, who is the subject of the sentence, na tinuruan, sino? Herself, yung kanyang sarili, kung paano tumugtog ng drums. Now, paano naman kung instead of speaking in the third person, ay magsasalita ako in the first person? Dahil ako, yung nagsasalita ngayon si Lyqa, pwede kong sabihin na I taught blank how to play the drums. Now, kung ang gusto kong sabihin ay tinuruan ko ang aking sarili kung paano tumugtog ng drums, babalikan natin yung table natin kanina. Okay? Now, sabi ko I taught blank. So, ang personal pronoun natin now becomes I, which means ang gagamitin natin na reflexive pronoun ay myself. Kaya yung sentence natin magiging I taught myself how to play the drums. So again, doon na papasok yung importansya nitong table na to. We look at yung personal pronoun at yung ka-pair niya or kapares na reflexive pronoun kasi yun yung gagamitin natin sa sentence na yon. Now, two major questions to ask. Number one, yung subject ba or tagagawa ang siyang tagatanggap din sa sentence na yon? Kung ang sagot doon ay yes, ibig sabihin gagamit ka ng reflexive pronoun. Pangalawang question, aling reflexive pronoun ang gagamitin ko? At doon na papasok itong table na to. Now, the best way for us to check if naintindihan nyo na to is through a quick quiz. And if you're ready with your pen and paper, your timer starts now. Alright, so ito yung ating quick quiz. Ang gagawin lang natin, pipiliin natin kung ang gagamitin natin ay yung personal pronoun, object pronoun, o yung reflexive pronoun sa options. Now, ang unang tanong natin, sabi we need to help us or ourselves. Yun ang pagpipilian natin. Now, again, ang unang tanong to find out if reflexive pronoun yung gagamitin natin, yung tagagawa ba or subject, pareho ng tagatanggap or object ng sentence. Now, ang subject dito ay we. No? We need to help blank. Now, yung tatanggap ba ng tulong na ito ay parehong tao kaysa dun sa we? Now, sa Filipino, ang translation nito ay kailangan natin tulungan ang sarili natin. So, sila-sila rin yun. At dahil sila rin ang tutulong sa sarili nila at sila rin ang tatanggap ng tulong, ang pipiliin natin ay yung reflexive pronoun. So, the answer sa first question ay ourselves. Ayan, tama ba kayo? Now, susunod natin na sentence, I need to finish all of these, me or myself. Now again, same question. Kung ang gagawa ng mga bagay na to, okay, if you finish niya daw lahat ng mga bagay na yon, sino ang tatapos nung mga bagay na yon? Okay? Ang gagawa rin naman ay sarili niya. So, ibig sabihin nun, siya rin yung pinag-uusapan. Kailangan ko itong tapusin mag-isa or kailangan ko itong tapusin ng sarili ko. So, I need to finish all of these myself. Hindi me. Okay? Next, I can't help you or yourself. Now, again, tatanungin natin. So kung I ang subject dito, hindi niya daw matutulungan yung tao na to. Pero siya ba yung tatanggap ng tulong? Pag sinabi kong I can't help you or yourself, palabas siya. So ibig sabihin, hindi siya yung tutulungan dito. So ang gagamitin lang natin would be yung regular lang na pronoun, I can't help you. Hindi yourself. Okay? So again, hindi siya automatic. Always ask yourself, siya rin ba yung subject? Siya rin ba yung object? Next, you should finish your part, you or yourself, before we go. Now again, kung siya ang pinag-uusapan, you should finish your part, yourself, ibig sabihin, ikaw rin ang gagawa, ikaw rin ang mag-finish. Dapat tapusin mo yung bahagi mo. Mag-isa, ikaw din ang gagawa. Hindi kita tutulungan, ikaw ang gagawa ng lahat ng to. So dahil same person yon, gagamit tayo ng reflexive pronoun, you should finish your part yourself before we go. Next, mom needs to leave the kids in half an hour. We need to watch over them or themselves. Now again, sino ang magbabantay or magwa-watch over? Ang subject natin ay yung we, yung watching over ang mangyayari. Pero sinong babantayan? Ang babantayan mo ay yung mga bata. So, hindi yung mga bata ang magbabantay sa sarili nila. At dahil doon, ang gagamitin natin ay them lang, hindi themselves. Kasi kami naman ang magbabantay eh. Sila naman ang babantayan. Okay? So again, hindi pareho yung subject at object. And then yung last, they can't be by them or themselves. Now, ang tanong, sino ba tong they na to? So yung they na yan are the kids. So yung mga bata daw, hindi sila pwedeng mag-isa or hindi sila pwedeng sila-sila lamang. So sila na rin yung subject, tapos sila rin yung maiiwan na mag-isa. So hindi pwedeng they can't be by them. This will be they can't be by themselves. Hindi natin sila pwedeng iwanan mag-isa. Now this is another clue right here. Discuss natin sa mas advanced na video pagdating sa reflexive pronouns. If you have the word by, sinasabi rin niya na mag-isa yung tao na yon. Ibig sabihin siya rin yon. They can't be by themselves. I can't be by myself. Or sabi nga nung kanta, all by myself. Ginagamitan natin ng reflexive pronoun. Clue natin yung word or yung preposition na by. We'll discuss that later, but I hope you got all of these correctly, at least from the clues na pinag-usapan natin sa video na ito. If you didn't, that's okay. I'll be posting more questions din naman on my Instagram account. So if you don't follow me yet, you can follow me on Instagram at Lyqa Maravilha for the new quick quiz questions at the Instagram stories. And if you want to look at the throwback quick quiz questions naman, you can go and visit at Team Lyqa. Doon din natin nilalagay yung mga important announcements. If you're on TikTok, you can follow me then at Team Lyqa for the educational videos, math and English videos, and at Lyqa Maravilha for the motivational videos, tips, and advice. All right? See you online.
All right, I hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends and mag-exam din sila. Natin sa namin tayo matutulungan. And as always, if you want to reach out to me directly, get the reviewers that I may join the online or live review events, you can go to www.facebook.com/teamlyqa. All right, thank you for watching. And as we always see sa channel na to, never stop learning. Adja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in the next video and bye for now. Alright, thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you want one more video lesson, you can click right here. And if you want to get to know me a little bit better, yung ating personal channel, yung vlogging channel is right here. You can subscribe to that and I'll see you there. Alright?